Hello, welcome to Presentation Perfect. In this video, you will learn how to create a simple animated trigger map. First, download and import your map. Go to simplemaps.com and download an SVG map of your choice. Here, I'll be using a map of Australia. Once downloaded, import the map into your slides. Simply drag and drop it on the slide. Select the map, hold down Shift and resize it by dragging the corners. This will ensure that the map will stay proportionate. Now to make the data point, we will select the map. Under Graphics Format, click on Convert to Shape. Now your map is editable. To change the color, select the map, go to Shape Fill, Outline, and pick your colors. Add the text box and name all the states. To create the population data point, add a rounded rectangle, give it a color and enter the name of the state, which in this case is Western Australia. Enter the population number, increase the size and give it the same color as the rectangle. Insert a line and add the text population under it. Now select it all and hit Ctrl-G to group them. Now adding the animations and triggers. Before we add any animations, we need to name each shape layer. This will be helpful when adding the triggers. Click on a shape, go to Shape Format, Selection pane, and you'll see all the elements that are displayed on the slide. Now go ahead and name each shape and text box layer. Select the data point group and text box with the state name and give them an entrance effect and an exit effect. The state shape will have an emphasis effect called Fill Color, and I'll pick purple to match the data point. Go to Effect Options and check the Auto Reverse option. This will ensure that the color of the state will go back to the original once clicked. To add the triggers, click on the emphasis effect, trigger, on click off, and select the shape layer. Bring the trigger animation to the top by dragging all the entrance and exit effects under the trigger animation. Make sure that they are following the correct order. Select all the entrance and exit animations, go to Start, with Previous. Change the duration of the emphasis effect. Bring the fade animations to where the emphasis effect will end. You can now simply repeat the process for all the other states. Thank you for watching.